Cloudy and damp for many with some patchy rain, but the outlook turns drier, brighter and warmer. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
Over the weekend, I know you'll be talking about that, but also I can see you got a clock ticking there.
What is to tackle climate change, to reduce our emissions, to not get to that 1.5 degree value that all of the UN says and all the climate scientists say that will mitigate the very worst impacts of climate change. So the clock here is ticking down. Good morning to you. It was a fairly mixed weekend of weather, but actually in the sunshine it felt pleasantly warm, and that theme will continue as we head through the week. But for today, a weather front brings fairly cloudy skies, outbreaks of rain. This high pressure is never too far away. It influences more southern areas, and high pressure keeps things fine and dry. But weather fronts are queuing up to bring some. And I think many people will be feeling the same, a bit of a cloudy grey start, but things will brighten up as we head through the day, and actually brighter later on this week as well. And that is the theme for many of us. Mixed fortunes at the weekend, mixed fortunes for today, but something a little bit brighter later on this week. Why the jeopardy? Well, low pressure is close by. Low pressure brings cloud and rain, and often in the south, so just a little above average, so feeling pleasantly warm. How do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook, where our weekend is in view. So, for the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, looking at our temperatures compared to average, they sit a little above average as we head through the week, better than the cool weather that many experienced last week. Percentage chance of rainfall. Well, today it's very isolated, but showers that could be heavy. A similar story tomorrow. Wednesday, your driest day of the week, and then hit and miss showers for the end of the week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Temperature-wise, we're sitting above average all week long, which will feel very nice when we get that sunshine, and many of us will. Today and tomorrow, outside risk of a few showers, hit and miss as we head through the week, but the weekend is looking pretty dry. That will limit the temperature rise and mitigate the very worst impacts of climate change. So today is raising awareness that it is possible to take action if we do it as soon as possible. Now, weather-wise across the UK today is a bit of a cloudy, damp start to the day, but things will turn brighter as we head through it, and actually pleasantly warm where the sunshine comes out. So first thing this morning, the satellite and radar picks out a lot of cloud, outbreaks of rain for northern England, southern Scotland, but through the day that lifts and breaks. So the rain through northern areas lifts and clears. For England and Wales, it's Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Mixed fortunes for today's weather. It starts off pretty cloudy, brightens up later on with the risk of some isolated showers. So the latest satellite shows a fair bit of cloud for northern areas, rain for northern England, southern Scotland. It'll be there this morning, then the rain eases and clears by this afternoon with something a little bit brighter. And after a cloudy start for many, sunny spells this afternoon. England and Wales, sunny spells and isolated showers that'll be light, but showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland will be heavier. Temperature-wise, 19 in the north, 25 in the south, feeling very nice indeed, and drier and brighter for many of us later this week.